close race, though.
That was close. We were right there.
That was a close race. Got that old truck running, y'all. Get him with that Mustang, y'all.
Junior Hush.
Hey, I thought I could get his ass, y'all. Some of the people in the chat was saying I couldn't beat it. But
Yeah, but we was right there,
that was a close race.
That was
It was
close.
looking like it was in my class, and it is. I need about 50 more horsepower. Appreciate it, man.
Somebody said I'm fired. I'm sorry, y'all. I was recording 3 phones.
Oh, y'all done fired Diamond.
They done fired me.
Yeah.
They can't replace me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he done got me, y'all.
They all on my ass about the recording. Lord Jesus, y'all saw what y'all seen.
Oh, what you was showing them?
Like this? I was like this.
They wanted to see the truck, probably.
Yeah, they wanted to see the truck.
He done got me again, y'all. That goddamn S10 getting it.
Y'all capping. Y'all ain't lost no $1,000.
Hey.
Y'all ain't even had faith in look
Hey,
at.
that's racing.
Y'all some
You gotta
haters.
figure out how fast it is one way.
Don't hate.
I done figured it out, y'all. I've been running.
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
I done found out. And my car broke loose a little bit too. I just stayed in it.
Yes, we was sliding.
Yeah, we was sliding. It broke loose a little bit in the middle of the track. Let me see.
I'm gonna have to watch this when I get home to see if I really recorded bad. Cause they on my ass.
He said I really. Dang, they on your ass.
They on my ass about the recording. Like, damn, am I supposed to be outside the window?
Yeah, you gotta be outside the window.
And go look at the window and go to sleep.
Ah. Let me see. Boom, y'all. Oh. The same way a while ago.
Alright.
It was fine. That car, it was a little bit, that truck a little bit too quick. He got me. He got me. God damn, he done got me, y'all. Oh, he let it still be able. Uh-oh, bam. Don't let her get her braids.
I paid $200.
Okay, I think she got a good deal too. I think she got a good deal. Okay. Okay, y'all. Look at. I don't know what. They done got me again, man. That goddamn truck.
Hey, you come up, cuz. You gotta earn your way up, though.
This is a joke.
You coming
Yeah,
through
what's
the
up with it?
Yeah, say, I got your taco.
Yeah.
He gonna cover your taco. He knew this was coming.
Yeah.
He was ready already. For
Slim
real.
Thin. Say, I got
There you go.
Slim Thug on the first one.
Yeah.
And then we got him
He
just
said
like
he was
home.
Damn. Hey, it was a close race,
I
man.
lay in the bed watching
Hey, y'all.
You brought me out for my birthday, so yeah, now I owe you.
I already appreciate it, man. Already.
Put the Mustang on his ass.
Yeah, I gotta get the Mustang for him, man.
But you mash your
Yeah.
button too.
Yeah.
He wasn't
He
ready
supposed to
with
be on the motor. He
that.
supposed to
We
be
knew
on
it,
the
though.
motor.
It was a good night for us.
Yeah, it was a good one. It was a good one.
And hey, I was telling you, you gave him a run, though.
This better than laying in the bed.
You definitely gave him a run.
Hey.
Chat line and
Yeah, y'all. I done got popped in it. Hey, where fucking town at? I need some peroxide. Fuck it, huh? I need some peroxide, man.
Oh yeah,
All right, go ahead, yeah, man. Hey, fucking town, I need some peroxide, man.
Bag on. Okay, hey.
Somebody said they saying he. Hey, Funky Town, I need some peroxide, Funky Town. I'm gonna ask Funky Town. Right lane. Hey, Funky Town. Funky Town, they say he sprayed me, man. They said he was spraying. They say that.
He probably did. Yeah, I know. Okay, I owe you 20. We'll get changed.
Funky Town.
They say he sprayed.
Yeah.
But you was spinning.
Yeah, it did spin. When it got half track, yeah, that mug was spinning.
Yeah, you spin down there, all the way down there.
Damn, man.
But you had to, I don't know if you kind of got off.
I ain't get off of it.
Oh, okay, it was spinning.
It was spinning.
It was spinning.
Damn. It did good the first pass.
Man, you might
Man.
touch that button.
Yeah. They say. Yeah.
Did you look to see? You ain't even look.
He was right there. It was a close race. It was neck and neck. He made it to where he was just right here. Like it was just right there. He was just staying right there.
All right, bet that 20 back.
Take that 20 back. Take the other side.
All right, bet. Get that 20. Bet. Get that 20. Bet.
And a while ago, I just made a pass. It didn't do no spinning.
Yeah, he got this one. You got this one, man. You got 10. Hey, bet 40. Bet 40. Bet 40.
No.
I already bet 20. 10, right? 10. 20. 10, 20.
Stop it. What's wrong?
Nah, we ain't looking for nobody.
Hey, stall back up, man. Stall back up.
No, you're good.
Left lane.
There's my 40 in there.
Okay. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe.